Neural Consult is an all-in-one AI study platform built for healthcare education. Our platform allows students to instantly look up topics, generate lecture summaries.
The heart, a muscular organ roughly the size of a fist, is truly a remarkable pump. It's estimated to contract nearly 3 billion times in a 75-year lifespan.
Flashcards, and board-style practice questions directly from the lecture materials they upload. Everything is fully cited, so students can easily trace information back to the original source file and page number. Our clinical case simulator allows students to take everything they've learned and apply it in a low-pressure, simulated clinical setting before real patient encounters.
Yeah, so they're mostly this dull pressure in my forehead and around my temples.
An always available AI tutor helps guide students when they get stuck reinforcing learning in real time. For institutions, Neural Consult can be fully customized to your curriculum and medical databases. Your content stays front and center in a secure, private environment accessible only to your faculty and students. With your curriculum uploaded, students and faculty can search decades of medical knowledge, generate study materials, and even create AI clinical patient simulations, all rooted in your institution's materials. With the admin dashboard, institutions can track engagement and learning progress in real time. Neural Consult brings your curriculum to life, unifying your content, faculty, and students in one secure, AI-powered learning platform designed for modern healthcare education. Neural Consult, AI for learning medicine.